speak for both Vanessa and myself. We are so grateful and appreciative that after all these years, myself, after all these years, you still care about live music and you still want to hear us perform. Like church for me, and I'm so happy to share with you, so thank you very much. Maybe I can get all of you to help me thank the wonderful local crew and my crew for doing such a great job. I know we've been talking a lot about, darkness and sadness, and I'm kind of, I've laid myself pretty bare. I don't want you to worry. I'm awesome. I'm so good. I'm solid. I'm whole, and very happy. As a matter of fact, crazily enough, I am in love again. I think I got it right this time. That damn time. Anyway, I love singing this next one because it reminds me of him.
Taste you in the cool.